Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker beef teriyaki. This can be made gluten-free if you need or regular, totally up to you. Easy to make in your slow cooker or your crock pot. So the first thing we are going to need are our ingredients. We will need 1 red onion sliced, 2 pounds of flank steak cut into 1-inch cubes, and then for your sauce, 3/4 cup cold water, half a cup of gluten-free soy sauce or regular if you don't need gluten-free, and 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar, along with 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then for your slurry, 2 tablespoons cornstarch and 2 tablespoons hot water. Now we are going to go ahead and grab a 6-quart slow cooker or crock pot. You can go ahead and spray yours with nonstick cooking spray, or you can use a liner that goes in the crock pot as well. And then you're going to place your onions on the bottom and then top it with your cube steak. So as you can see here, I've got the onions on the bottom, steak on top, and then we are going to make that sauce that you see poured on here. So the sauce is going to be made in a small saucepan. So we will need to add in that saucepan 3/4 cup cold water, half a cup soy sauce, regular or gluten-free, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons honey, half a teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now you're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil. Just whisk it together, bring it to a boil, and let it boil for about 5 minutes. While this is boiling, you want to go ahead and make your slurry, and this is what's going to make it thicker. So you need to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of hot water to a small little bowl and just mix it together. And then once this has been boiling for about 5 minutes, you can whisk in this slurry right into your boiling mixture, and you're going to simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. And this is just going to thicken up and make it the consistency of a sauce, similar to what you would buy in the store. And your little cheat for this recipe is you could totally use store-bought sauce for this as well and skip making it from scratch if you wanted to. So once you have your sauce done, you can pour the sauce right over the steak and onion, just like this is, mix it up a little bit, and then you can cover it and cook it on low for 6 hours or high for 3 hours. So your steak needs to be about 145 to 165 is where we want it. 165 would be very well done. So this is what it looks like for slow cooker beef teriyaki when it's all done. We like to serve ours over rice with a little bit of green onion on top, parsley, cilantro, whatever you want to put on top there. So this is the full recipe. You will find it over on mommyhatescooking.com. And be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in to this slow cooker beef teriyaki recipe.